Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you the Ram Mount's Gooseneck locking suction cup mount. This is the RAP-105-6D224. This suction cup mount is going to give you a locking suction cup base, a 6-inch extension rod, and then at the other end we have this diamond plate. That's going to line up with the hole pattern found on a variety of Ram cradles. Let's start with this locking suction cup base, and it's going to be similar to this other locking suction cup base you may have seen before. Both of them have the same locking mechanism. You can put them down on a smooth, non-porous surface, give that locking mechanism a turn, and that's going to secure both of those suction cups down here to the table. To release, just turn those locks back in the other direction, and then you can pull it up with the flap down there at the bottom. The main difference, of course, is that this one has the Ram 1-inch B-size ball. This one has the gooseneck integrated into the base, but the suction cup part of it is going to be the same. As I mentioned, down at the other end, you have that diamond plate. So any cradle that has a diamond plate on it, like this cradle for the Garmin Nuvi 2595, is going to be compatible with this base. What you can do is just join those two parts together, attach the cradle to your suction cup, and you can use this, for example, as a GPS mount for your car. Just keep in mind, though, that this suction cup does not come with any hardware. Any hardware that you would need to attach a cradle to this suction cup is going to come with the cradle itself. Now the arm is a 6-inch extension arm, and it's what we call a rigid flex arm, in that you can move it, but it does take a little bit of effort, and whatever position you put it in, it is going to retain its shape. It's because underneath this plastic cover, we actually just have an aluminum rod. So this isn't some flimsy mount. This is going to be secure and hold its shape wherever that you put it. This is going to give you 6 inches of extension, but we actually carry one other variation on this mount, where instead of 6 inches of extension, you are going to get 12 inches of extension. The part number for this is the RAP-105-12D224. You get the same locking suction cup base, the same diamond plate on the other end, just twice as much reach. Now, keep in mind that because whatever you're mounting, you're putting that weight out farther away from the base, it may be susceptible to more vibration, but that is part of the trade-off for more extension. So what I'm going to do now is take my cradle for the Garmin Nuvi 2595. I'm going to take the hardware that came with that cradle. I'm going to attach the suction cup to the back of it and give you an idea of what this is going to look like as a finished product. I've finished attaching my cradle to the end of the suction cup mount, so now I am ready to get this down onto the table. I can angle this down a little bit, and I can take my Garmin Nuvi 2595 and drop that into the cradle. I can, of course, make further adjustments to it if I want. I can remove the suction cup, put it down in a different location. I can even have it coming down angled off of the front windshield of my vehicle if I so choose. And this is just one cradle that you can use with this mount. You can really use it with pretty much any cradle that has a diamond hole pattern on the back, or even a round hole pattern. It's not going to connect with all 4 holes of the round hole pattern, but it will connect with 2 of them. So that is a quick look at the Ram Mount's Gooseneck locking suction cup mount. This is the RAP-105-6D224.